I test makeup for a living to see what will work on our mature skin, and I found two gems at the drugstore from a brand hardly anyone talks about anymore. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we haven't met yet, I'm 58, I have oily skin, and you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, and I am your budget beauty bestie. I love finding makeup that works beautifully for our mature skin, but especially if it's affordable. And I think growing up in the 70s and the 80s, being a young woman in the 90s, we thought about CoverGirl all the time. Now, no one talks about CoverGirl. Look what I found. This bronzer and blush look so high-end. There's a brand out there that I tried and I love it. It is beautiful and it looks just like these. And because it's swirled and it's a little shimmery, I thought, oh, I am not gonna like that. I thought it would grab onto texture, it would enhance fine lines, but it absolutely does not. It is not sparkly, it's not super shimmery, it's just beautiful. Let's apply these. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer, and it says it's a baked luminous bronzer. Anytime it says luminous, it scares me a little bit on mature skin because too much luminosity can definitely enhance texture. We don't want that. I love to start out with a bronzer, especially if you are in your 50s or in your 60s, the color is just draining from my skin. So starting with a bronzer adds a little bit of warmth, so it really helps so that if you're like me, I tend to get a little heavy-handed with my blush, thinking that I have to add color back to my cheeks. Start with a bronzer and it really helps to even that out a little bit. I'm also using this beautiful, very affordable brush. You can see that it's angled and it's very, very light and wispy. It also helps to make sure you don't get too heavy-handed with blush or bronzer. You could also use this as a highlighter brush if you wanted to. And of course, I'm just adding this to the tops of my cheeks where the sun would hit me normally. And if we're friends, you know I love to add my blush and bronzer above my eyes in lieu of most eyeshadow. I just don't have the patience for eyeshadow anymore. So adding this above my eyes is a really good trick. I didn't add a lot. It's not super shiny or shimmery. It just looks like I have a little bit of warmth, a little bit of color in my skin. I'm also going to take this bronzer on a little bit of a pencil brush and line my eyes with it. Okay, let's go in with the blush. I'm using the same brush. These are definitely buildable. It's hard to go wrong with this brush, but can you see? It's not shimmery, it's not sparkly, it's not super shiny, it's not grabbing onto the texture. I just love these. I'm so impressed. I think the blush is under $10 and the bronzer is under $12. Let me know what you think about this, and if you like super affordable makeup that works beautifully for our mature skin, I think you'll like this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.